Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on auto-download for photos on WhatsApp Web using your PC. Whether you're new to WhatsApp Web or just exploring its updated features, this tutorial will help you get started quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by launching your browser and visiting web.whatsapp.com. Once there, make sure to log in by scanning the QR code with your mobile device if you haven't already. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click on it to open the Settings panel. Now, within the Settings menu, select the option labeled Chats. This is where you can manage various chat-related preferences. Under Chats, locate and click on Media Auto Download. Once inside the Media Auto Download section, you'll see different types of media that can be set to download automatically. To enable auto-download for photos, simply check the box next to Photos. This will ensure that all photos sent to you via WhatsApp Web are downloaded automatically to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto-download for photos on WhatsApp Web. From now on, any photos sent to you will be saved automatically, making it easier to access and organize them without manual downloads. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy using WhatsApp Web with this handy feature enabled.